Makes it easy to open roof vent lid. Allows you to tighten the lid when closed. Durable plastic construction for long-lasting use. Knob color: black. Are you having difficulty getting your manual vent lid open? Domestic has the perfect solution to your problem. Use Domestic's knob kit for manual lift vent lids to add or replace your lift knobs. The knobs make it easy to open and close your compatible Fan-Tastic Roof Vent from Domestic. Top reviews from the United States. Exact replacement for 2018 Airstream Basecamp. This is the exact replacement for my 2018 Airstream Basecamp roof vent. So perfect I ordered a second one to have for the future. I don't know why the dimension says 4 inches, it's only about 2 inches.